Breastfeeding your newborn is a beautiful bonding experience, but finding the right position can make a big difference in comfort and successful feeding. Hello moms, welcome to Baby Care by Tina. Today, we're talking about the best breastfeeding positions for newborns that can help both you and your baby feel relaxed and confident during feeding time. Let's start with the cradle hold, one of the most common breastfeeding positions. In this position, you hold your baby across your chest with their head resting in the crook of your arm. Your baby's tummy should face your body, and their mouth should be aligned with your nipple. This position works well once breastfeeding is established and is especially comfortable for many mothers. Next is the cross-cradle hold, which is similar to the cradle hold but offers more control. Here, you support your baby's head with the opposite hand while the other hand supports your breast. This position is ideal for newborns who are still learning to latch, as it allows you to guide your baby's head gently and ensure a deeper latch. Another excellent option is the football or clutch hold. In this position, your baby is tucked under your arm, with their body along your side and feet pointing toward your back. This position is especially helpful for mothers who had a cesarean delivery, as it keeps pressure away from the abdomen. It's also great for mothers with larger breasts or for feeding twins. The side lying position is perfect for nighttime feeds or when you need rest. You and your baby lie on your sides facing each other. This position allows you to relax while your baby feeds and can be very helpful during recovery after childbirth. Just make sure your baby's nose is not pressed into your breast and that their body is well aligned. The laid back or reclined position uses gravity to your advantage. You lean back comfortably, and your baby lies on your chest. This position encourages a natural latch and can be very helpful if you have a strong let-down reflex. It also promotes skin-to-skin contact, which is wonderful for bonding. No matter which position you choose, always remember a few key tips. Your baby's head and body should be in a straight line, their mouth should be wide open when latching, and breastfeeding should never be painful. If you feel discomfort, gently break the latch and try again. Every mother and baby pair is unique, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. With patience and practice, breastfeeding can become a calm and enjoyable part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching Baby Care by Tina. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other new moms.